Located in Zhaoqing, Guangdong, near major South China ports. Founded in 2006, Fengxiang Food Machinery Company, Limited is a manufacturing enterprise integrating product research and development, design, and production, holding multiple invention patents. For 20 years, the company has been deeply involved in the field of fruit and vegetable and agricultural product processing equipment, possessing a team of experts with rich practical application experience in R&D, design, production, installation, and after-sales service. Our company's core products mainly include the following series: Clean Vegetable Processing Machine Series, Pineapple Processing Machine Series, Mango Processing Machine Series, and Coconut Processing Machine Series, adhering to the principle of maximizing customer benefits with minimal investment in our solution design. We provide excellent service with a win-win mindset and innovate with a spirit of collaborative exploration. Our fully automatic clean vegetable salad processing production line uses multiple purification technologies to ensure that every vegetable is clean and translucent, meeting the highest hygiene standards. To meet the growing demand for pineapple processing, Fengxiang's fully automatic pineapple peeling machine, with its unparalleled high efficiency, achieves peeling and cutting in one go. Even delicate mangoes become easy to peel with the mango peeler. This machine is easy to operate, making bulk mango peeling a breeze. The hard shell and husk of coconuts are a core challenge in coconut processing. Now, the coconut peeler makes everything easy and efficient, safe and stable, significantly increasing your coconut processing speed. Continuous technological innovation is the core engine of Fengxiang's development. We have a senior R&D team and numerous core patented technologies, constantly driving the iterative upgrade of fruit and vegetable processing equipment. Fengxiang not only provides excellent solution but is also committed to providing full lifecycle services. Through cutting-edge preventative services and data-driven predictive services, we eliminate potential problems in their infancy, preventing issues before they arise. No matter where you are, video guidance and efficient on-site technical. We solemnly promise, for any technical needs, solution within 24 hours. Choosing Fengxiang means choosing peace of mind and efficiency.